How to make a woman miss you so badly. Have you ever wondered how to create such an impact on a woman that she can't help but miss you intensely? It's a common dilemma, and in this video, I'm here to offer you insights that can help you achieve just that. Whether you're dealing with an ex-girlfriend or a new dating partner who seems to be distancing herself, I've got strategies that can reverse the situation and make her yearn for your presence. Take a moment to absorb these techniques, and consider having a pen and paper ready, because what you're about to learn can reshape your approach and elevate your connection to the next level. 1. Be yourself, not her backup plan. A pivotal aspect of making a woman miss you profoundly is rooted in authenticity. Many men fall into a trap when attempting to reignite a connection. They become a woman's backup plan, compromising their identity and value. This scenario unfolds when men invest too much of themselves, becoming excessively available. The result? She takes you for granted, relegating you to her secondary option, someone she can fall back on if things don't pan out with her first choice. The key here is to emphasize your individuality as a man. Uphold your self-respect and boundaries. Be a man of value who deserves equal respect and attention. This involves refraining from offering all your time and focus to her. Instead, lead a fulfilling life that encompasses your interests, passions, and goals. By demonstrating your independence and self-sufficiency, you not only maintain your dignity but also stimulate her to reassess her choices. When she perceives you as a person who has his own life to live, she's more likely to regret overlooking the precious time and attention you deserved. 2. Master the art of dominance. One of the most effective ways to create a longing for your presence is by embracing the role of a dominant force in her life. Women are naturally drawn to confident men who exhibit leadership qualities. To make her miss you intensely, you need to cultivate these attributes. Whether it's planning a vacation destination or making significant life decisions, being a leader in various aspects of life can leave a lasting impact on her perception of you. When you exude confidence and a commanding presence, she'll begin to rely on you for guidance and support. This dependency, though rooted in admiration, translates into her missing you when you're not around. Your absence leaves a void that only your presence can fill. By becoming a cornerstone of stability and direction in her life, you evoke an insatiable yearning for your company. This dominance is an irresistible magnet that pulls her thoughts and emotions towards you. 3. Avoid stalking. In the age of social media, it's tempting to peek into someone's online life, especially when it's someone you care about deeply. However, stalking, in this context, does more harm than good. If you want to make a woman miss you genuinely, it's crucial to put an end to this behavior. Stalking her online not only damages your mental well-being but also taints your image in her eyes. Seeing her with someone else or moving on can trigger feelings of jealousy and insecurity. This can lead to an emotional roller coaster that impedes your own personal growth and moving forward. Moreover, stalking reveals a sense of desperation that's detrimental to rebuilding any connection. It signals that you're not capable of creating your own fulfilling life, and this can be a major turn-off. Instead, focus on enriching your own experiences, which will, in turn, improve your desirability. Remember, the goal is to showcase your independence and strength, making her miss the energy and enthusiasm you bring to her life. 4. Mystery mixed with jealousy. Crafting a sense of mystery and invoking healthy jealousy are potent tools in igniting her longing for you. Women are naturally intrigued by the unknown, and the element of mystery can captivate her attention. Combine this with a dash of jealousy, and you have a recipe for making her yearn for your presence. The key here is subtlety. While it's tempting to post pictures or updates that seem calculated to evoke jealousy, taking a more nuanced approach is crucial. Instead of blatantly showcasing your interactions with other women, share moments from your life without explicitly highlighting their significance. This leaves her wondering and curious about the deeper meaning behind these posts. As she contemplates the hidden implications, her emotions will begin to stir. The mystery enveloping your actions will create a longing to uncover the truth, and she'll find herself missing the unique energy you bring into her life. This fusion of mystery and jealousy serves as a powerful concoction that draws her thoughts and emotions towards you even when you're not present. 5. Leave her wanting more. Creating a lasting impression that lingers long after you've departed involves leaving her with something she can't resist craving. This isn't limited to material gifts or shared memories, it extends to the essence of who you are as a person. Every man possesses distinct qualities that make him unique and alluring. It's essential to identify these traits within yourself and leverage them to leave a lasting impact. Your communication skills, confidence, physical appearance, emotional intelligence, all these facets play a role in shaping her perception of you. By showcasing the best version of yourself when you're together, you plant a seed of desire that continues to grow even when you're apart. The thought of your charismatic personality, your unique charm, or your confident demeanor can become a tantalizing temptation that she can't help but yearn for. Ultimately, making a woman miss you isn't about manipulation or games, it's about fostering a genuine connection that resonates deeply. Each of these strategies contributes to building a stronger foundation of attraction and longing. By combining authenticity, dominance, respect, and the element of mystery, you're paving the way for a connection that goes beyond the surface. A connection that makes her eagerly await your presence and cherish every moment you share together. If you're interested in this perspective, we'd love to know your opinion. Do you agree with this list? Have we omitted anything? Share your thoughts in the comments below. To learn more, explore other videos on this channel and the provided links. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.